Okay, what I'm doing here, I've befriended a seagull, and this is what witches get up to when they're not witching and waving magic wands. They're waving fish fingers for a seagull who's going to hopefully come and eat out of my hand. Seginald, come on then. Come on. Right, there's two of them now, and one of them, I think this is him, he'll come right up the steps to me. And he's become very friendly. They're very intelligent and very lovely birds. Come on. So, get him to come up. Come on, Seginald. Come on, mate. Yeah. Gain his trust a bit, and then he gets his nerve up. And this is obviously where I have to watch my fingers. Come on, Seginald. Come on. Right, let's see how daring he is. He actually got my finger that time. Did he? Leave your mate down there as well. Yes, Seginald. Yeah. I call him Seginald, and the other one down there is called Seginald. Come on. You see how clean and nice they keep themselves. And now he's got fish fingers all round his beak. Running out now. Yes, Seginald. Yeah. Feeding Seginald, well, I don't know which one's which to be honest, but there we go. And funny enough, they haven't got sharp beaks, believe it or not. You know, they're incredibly intelligent creatures. So the next time you think of doing anything nasty to a seagull, you think they're just like us. They're like people, but in a different form. And now he's going to have to go down to his drinking bowl and wash his beak. But anyway, that's me and Seginald Seagull on Saturday the 19th of June, a couple of days before the solstice. So, take care.